Imposter syndrome is different from performance anxiety. Performance anxiety is temporary, it's episodic, so it's based on a limited time-bound event, whereas imposter syndrome is chronic. The feeling never leaves. Despite the fact that you keep achieving, that you're doing well, you may think, oh, I'm not a good student. Imposter syndrome can sound like, I'm afraid that others will find out that I'm not as capable as they think I am. Or it may sound like, I'm only pretending to be a good student. Imposter syndrome can also sound like, I'm afraid that others will find out how much I'm really lacking and how incapable I am. Or I don't really belong here, for whatever reasons you may have.